Hi guys, things always go wrong at home, and if not, the wife will definitely find something to fix. Just quickly, welcome to Concrete, my home improvement and consulting channel. If this is your first time here, remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell. There are a lot of tools available, cheap ones and expensive ones. And if I have to list all of them, I have to go back thousands of years, where the earliest stone tool known to us were made, the older one, which was basically a hand axe. So let me share with you the 15 must-have tools for men at home, or women. So let's start. First up, a hammer. And no, you don't have to have the biggest one. A normal carpentry hammer will work. Then you'll need screwdrivers, a normal flat one or Phillips screwdriver, otherwise known as a star screwdriver. Number 3, a cordless drill for that Saturday afternoon task when you have to hang portraits. The fourth tool, a level. This tool will assist you hanging the portrait level like a professional. Tool number 5, just to assist you getting the right height, a measuring tape. Number 6, extension cord. Just in case you don't have a cordless drill, then you'll need power for your electrical one. Number 7, adjustable wrench. You always need to tighten something like washing machine pipes or plumbing. Number 8, standard adjustable pliers for small nuts and bolts or when you need to grip something small. Number 9, cable ties. This is always handy and you need to tie something sooner or later. Number 10, a small Allen key set always gets in handy, especially when there is some newly purchased furniture in the house. Number 11, duct tape is always handy. You always need to pack something in boxes or fix something like a pipe that's leaking. Number 12, a small flashlight, one of my favorites for those small dark places when you lost something. Number 13, a scraper is always a handy tool to remove all paint and to fix all those holes you drilled in the wrong places. Number 14, a utility knife. Well, the name explains itself. You can cut anything with this. Boxes, rubber, cords, doesn't matter. Number 15, the plunger. If not the most important tool you'll ever need. The time to buy a toilet plunger is not a day when you need a toilet plunger. There you go, 15 important tools every man should have in his home. There's a good saying, if a woman don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy. Have an awesome day and remember, keep it simple.